Let's generate line rate traffic on port 0. Select port 0, right click in the port configuration, make sure that interleaved streams are selected, hit OK, double click the gear icon, make sure that if packets are selected, packets per second is sufficiently large value such that IPG reads 0. No other changes are required as we are using the pre-constructed packet. Hit OK, select the port, hit apply and start traffic. As you can see, the RX bitrate is very close to 25 Gbps and the RX packet rate is 37.2 million packets per second, I think. Here it swings a little, but still on an average it would be 37.2 million packets per second. We can stop the traffic anytime and examine the number of packets sent and received. Let's stop this, hit stop and check whether the packets received and sent matches. They do. Let's repeat this experiment on port 2. Select that, port configuration, make sure interleaved streams are selected, hit OK. Here let's choose bursts, and the burst per second must be sufficiently large such that IBG reads 0. In protocol selection, let's cross check the size of the packet as 64 byte. Hit OK, select the port and hit apply, start the traffic. As you see, that also sends around 37.2 million packets per second of size 64 bytes, which translates to at 24.998, which is very close to the line rate. We can stop the traffic anytime in order to test the number of packets. Let's stop. The number of packets received matches the number of packets sent out. Now let's examine both TX and RX at line rate at the same time. Make sure that interleaved streams are selected. Select the port, hit apply, start TX. As you see, RX bitrate is 25 Gbps. Let's start pushing data from the traffic gen utility as well. Now what you see is packet pump generating traffic at line rate and receiving traffic at the line rate. Here you would see the TX bitrate from traffic gen is 25 Gbps and the RX bitrate on traffic gen is also 25 Gbps. Both ports, meaning both TX and RX, are pushing data at 37.2 million frames per second, which is very close to what we see here. Let's stop this and try examining what happens with the other port. For port 1, select it, make sure that interleaved streams are selected, hit OK, hit apply and start traffic. Let's start transmission from traffic gen. As you can see, the TX bitrate on port 1 is 25 Gbps. The RX bitrate on port 1 is also 25 Gbps. Both has the TX and RX frame rate as 37.2 millit packets per second. This demonstrates the capabilities of packet pump for generating traffic at line rate as well as syncing in the traffic at line rate. This part shows a little time-lapsed statistics on port 1.